Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a burrito. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a tortilla, rice, beans, choice of meat, and some toppings. But first comes sanitation. Next up, we want to put a humongous flour tortilla onto the flat grill. Alright, now that the tortilla is done, we put it onto a plate. And next up, we add some beans. If you'd like some beans, I'm not saying you should, I'm not saying you like have to put them. Alright, next up comes the rice. Alright, and choice of meat for today, we got some char-grilled chicken. Now you know how I did steak with tacos like last time. So, yeah. Oh my god, this is overflowing. Alright, now we got some toppings right here. We're gonna put lettuce, pico de gallo, and some guac. Alright, next up, we're gonna roll the burrito. So yeah, flip it over to the sides first, and then bam, hug that thing. Next up, it goes back onto the grill to be fried. Alright, now after a few minutes of rolling up the burrito, we got a nice and crispy burrito. So after that, take it off the flat grill. Ooh, that was close. And then put it onto the wrapping paper. And then roll that bad boy up. Alright, now that after it's rolled, if you'd like to, you could cut it in half. And there you go. Alright, and there you go. That is how you make a burrito made over here at Los Pelicanos. Let's go and try it out. Alright, let's go ahead and try the burrito out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.